Number 6, find the coordinate of the midpoint of a segment having this given endpoint. So the midpoint, the formula for actually the midpoint can be seen as the average. So all we have to do is find the average. X1 plus X2, that's going to be divided by 2. And then we have Y1 plus Y2 divided by 2. All right, let's plug it in here. So this is very straightforward. The X1 is 0. The X2 here is 22. We add those together, divided by 2. Then we have 0, which is your Y1. Then we have your Y2, which is 18. Negative 18. We divide that by 2. 22 divided by 2 is 11. Negative 18 divided by 2 is negative 9. That is your midpoint. We apply the same thing here for point U and point V. X1 here is negative 6. X2 here, it is 12. Add those together, divide that by 2. Negative 3 is your Y1. And your Y2 here is negative 7 divided by 2. We have negative 6 plus 6, which is a 6 divided by 2. Negative 3, negative 7 is a negative 10. We divide that by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Negative 10 divided by 2 is negative 5. That would be your midpoint. Again, please understand that the midpoint is considered to be the average between 2 points.